it's Shauna. Welcome back to my channel. Today is another Stitch Fix unboxing. I had a great box last time and I learned a lot. I'm still learning about booties, but people were great and introduced me to Busby Style, which has a YouTube channel, and she's great. I've been watching and learning. I ended up getting the purple hoodie and the sweater. I was a little worried based on comments that the sweater would stretch out, but it's been great and I loved it. Everything was really good. I also just put up a video for my son. He got a box and he's adorable. So I'll put the link up here if you want to check out that unboxing. But now I like to just get into my box. It's kind of small. So I'm not sure what I got. I didn't put any kind of notes in. I had intended to and just spaced it. So it's just gonna be a surprise for everyone today. Clearly, I have not even hinted at looking. Oh, it's a little burrito today. Look how little it is. It's adorable. If you haven't ever tried Stitch Fix, you can use my referral code that I'll put down below. It gives you $25 off your first box, so it's no harm in just giving it a try. It's really fun. So I have my return envelope, I have my pricing and my style card, which I'll look at in a minute. And then it looks like I got a bit of jewelry, which I don't usually get. And so maybe I'll check that first. Oh, that is cute. It's a necklace. Interesting. I don't have a lot of like statement piece necklaces like this, and I do tend to wear a lot of silver. So I'll try it on and see how it looks. And a lot of times jewelry for me is based on the price, but I do need more. So that's cool, a little change. Okay, let's dig into the burrito. Okay, the first thing, do you know, I think I saw somebody else had this and I might have pinned it. I don't know what these little dots are. They're like little velvety dots on here, but it's really cute. And you know what I like about it? It has these little, maybe scalloped sleeves, but also it has this really neat back. And so that is really cute. I'm excited to try that on. It looks a little small, but I'm sure it'll be fine. As you guys know, I've just recently sized down, so everything I'm a little nervous about. Okay, the next thing is stripes, which I am addicted to wearing stripes, but surprise, it's polka dots too, which is my other addiction. It's black and white, it's super stretchy and soft. Market and Spruce. I'm not sure if I love this kind of two-tone, but the buttons are cute. And are two patterns, not two-tone, two patterns. But we'll give it a try. It's soft and cute. Oh, goodness me. My stylist is usually Jasmine, and I suspect it is still Jasmine, although I haven't looked, because she knows I love stripes and I love blazers. So this is kind of a blue tweed blazer, and I'm really a sucker for it. Look at this cute, silky polka dot lining. She so gets me. No, she knows how to get my dollars. That's what she knows, doesn't she? Smart. Okay, and the last thing, I think she totally went off my Pinterest board because I swear that I pinned most of these things. What color is this? They're kind of pink. You know how I feel about pink, but they're not. They're more like, I don't know what the hell color that is. Purpley, pink. I don't know, they're cute. Kind of similar to my shirt, just a lighter wash, maroon color. And they're slacks. They're more by Market and Spruce as well. Oh, they say they're brown. That is not true at all. All right, well, I'm gonna try all these on. I'm really excited about everything. She totally had my number on this. I'll try them on so you guys can let me know what you think. I'll be right back. Okay, here's the first outfit. And I don't know if I love these together, but the blazer is pretty cute. It fits really well, and it's soft and fun and versatile. Man, it'll depend on the price. I think it's a little bit thinner than some of the other blazers I've had, so I don't know if the construction is quite as good, but it depends on the price. The fit is really nice and the color is good. Okay, and then I have this blue shirt, which is so cute. It's got little tiny tone-on-tone polka dots on it. Can you see? I also put it with the necklace, which I think is really fun and cute as well. The best part about this shirt and why I pinned it, and you can see my bra a little bit, but it has this opening in the back, and maybe with a different bra, it would be better, a little tank top, but I think that opening is so cute. So we'll have to see. It's not too big, or sorry, it's not too small at all. If anything, it may be a little big, but I think any smaller would make it uncomfortable. So really, really cute shirt for layering, for spring coming up. Not on its own right now. We've all survived Snowmageddon in Seattle, but it's still real stinking cold here. I kept it on with the gray pants, some gray pants that I just got. And let me just tell you, JCPenney's Anna, 20 bucks. So I thought they looked cute with it. My stylist said that she got me a really casual box last time, and so she wanted to do something more, I don't know, a little work, casual stuff, which is great. This is go out to dinner casual for me. So, okay, I will try on the next outfit. I'll be right back. Okay, here's the next outfit. What do you guys think? There's a lot of looseness here, which I typically like things to be a little bit more fitted, good or bad. Tell me about the back. Is this cute or is it weird? What do you think? I'm on the fence about it because I love stripes and I love polka dots. Do I love them together? I'm not totally convinced. It looks like something my sister Leah would wear. Leah, you want it? Okay, and here's the pants. Let me angle you down a little bit. Okay, the pants are mauve and they fit great. They're super stretchy and they're a little bit baggy back here. I would have to kind of put a belt on with them, I think, but they're not bad. I wouldn't get a smaller size. Just the cut could be just a little tighter here, but they're not loose. They're pretty fun. Which shoes would you wear with these pants? They're cropped. Moccasins? Or ballet flats maybe? I think this outfit's totally cute though. All right, it depends on prices. I got my eye on some clogs. They're so cute. Can anybody tell me are clogs gonna come back in style? They're like Mary Jane T-strap clogs and I really want them. And so I'm either gonna bring it back or I'm going to just be really out of style. I'm thinking I just need to go back to like 2005 because I really want clogs and I really want gaucho pants to come back. Anybody with me? Okay, I'll go put my regular clothes back on and let's look at prices. Okay, I'm back. Let's check the prices. It matters. It matters. Okay. Oh, okay, so sorry, let me just read it all and then I'll get back to you later. Okay, so the blazer is called Kensie Rebekah textured plaid blazer in navy. It's a large, it's 88 bucks. I kind of thought so, but I was hoping it would be a little bit cheaper because it just feels a little bit cheaper. Okay, the Gina, the 41 Hawthorne Gina Scalloped Sleeve Blouse. 58. What do you think? I think I knew that actually from seeing somebody try it on. What do you think? I think it's really cute. 58? Maybe. I really liked it. And the blazer. Damn it. Oh, the necklace is Bancroft Ivy Metal Statement Necklace in silver. And it's 28. I don't think that's a ridiculously bad price. And I thought it was cute on, and I think it'll go with like everything. So, yeah, maybe I need to get a necklace. Okay, the Market and Spruce Sormosa print black knit. Man, I don't know about this one. What do you guys think? It was a little baggy. I don't know if it was super flattering. That's what I'm gonna say. I don't know if it was super flattering. I love stripes and polka dots. So kind of in theory, it should be great. And I should be in love with it. It's soft. It's $48. I don't know why I'm not in love with it. Let me know what you think. Okay. And then the Rosabel skinny pant in brown, but it's not, it's like mauve. And Market and Spruce, yeah, $78. Where's $78? No. They're really stretchy and they would be really great for spring. And I have a trip coming up and I think they would probably be good on a trip. Okay, 78 though, man. I really wanted to buy some clogs. Why do I have to like everything? I'll put a link to the clogs I want to get down below too because they're so cute. Okay, I'll stop talking about clogs. Okay, so the total on everything is $300. If I get everything, it's $75 off minus my $20 styling fee. And so it comes to $205 for everything. I don't know. I really like the blue shirt. I like the blue shirt the most. It's 58. It's a little steep. I like the blue. I like the pants too. Damn it! Why do they make this so hard? I'm just gonna have to have you guys help me again. This is why I like Stitch Fix, because I'm terrible at making decisions. You should see me in a dressing room. It's a disaster. So at least I get your guys' input. I get to think about it for a couple days. I tend to try them on like 5 times before I make a final decision. So sorry, I don't mean to leave you hanging, but you're just gonna have to help me out. Thanks so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, and we'll see you next time. Thanks so much. Bye.